The design of the project begins by analyzing the location where it is located. The 100 square meters plot of land located at Praia do Capricornio in Caraguatatuba is part of a subdivision from the mid-1970s, and the client's main intention was to create a new summer home on land that had already been in the family for decades. Our mission was to solve pre-existing characteristics in order to create a weekend house that would be a meeting point for the whole family with comfort and practical maintenance. With this in mind, the entire house was designed in reinforced concrete with its structure designed to minimally interfere with the layout of the spaces. We chose to leave a large part of the structure visible, leaving the beam system inverted only on the upper floor so as not to interfere with the visual amplitude we sought for the project. The intention was to bring the beauty of the structure itself without the need for many finishes. Our choices always start from the truth of the materials, a concept that we preserve and value in all our creations. For this project we chose to use concrete on the perimeter walls and facade with the curtain system made in situ, in addition to the raw brick that appears both in the cabogos and in the spiral staircase that gives access to the upper floor. These two main elements, combined with the internal partitions made of common masonry, the strategic glass openings and the wooden frames, give life to the house which, with brutalist and modernist touches, represents what we love about architecture. The decision was made based on the analysis of the terrain's conditions combined with the needs of the clients who asked us for a project with a large leisure area and plenty of natural lighting and ventilation, in addition to 4 comfortable suites. The challenge, however, was the neighboring buildings and the limited space on the land. Our solution then was to reverse the common logic, allocating the intimate area on the ground floor and the common area on the first floor. As it is a weekend house, this inversion of the spatial configuration pattern worked well. We created a pleasant, airy and bright space on the upper floor, where we explore the view of the sea, mountains, and tree canopy, encouraging connection with nature. Here you will find a large and integrated living room and kitchen, as well as a bathroom with a walk-in shower and an open, uncovered area with constant sunlight. The ground floor also gained a comfortable, spacious space with plenty of natural lighting and ventilation, although with different solutions. Here we created openings and strategic paths so that the space primarily closed in 3 of its boundaries became pleasant, comfortable, and spacious. There are 4 suites here, 2 of which have a shared bathroom, facing a central landscaped courtyard that brings nature into the building, in addition to the wide main circulation from the entrance door to the access staircase to the upper floor and an area technique close to the entrance door with cabogos that allow privacy and entry of light and ventilation. is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.